footprints. But whose are they?
Help!
Huh?
Help me!
Quicksand!
Help! Help! I'm stuck!
Just stay calm and wiggle your toes.
Wiggle my toes?
Yeah, it'll help me pull you out.
Okay, I'm wiggling them. Phew! Thanks for saving me. But where'd this quicksand come from?
Quicksand forms when there's a lot of water underground. Someone must be digging these holes, releasing the water.
You know, I did see some donkey fella carrying a shovel.
A donkey? Ah, so those were his footprints I saw.
I think he went that way.
And that must be the second waterfall Sam mentioned. I bet this donkey had something to do with it. Sam, I'm getting closer to solving this. How are the chinchillas?
They're fine. But you were right about one thing. Their fur really does take forever to dry.
Sam, look! The water's rising!
Kids, you better hurry.
Will do.
Stay back, everyone. I don't think we can stay here much longer. It's too dangerous.
But the water's so high. How will we get out without touching it?
I've got a plan.
Here's the water. Now where's that donkey? Aha! Excuse me!
Oh, hi there. You thirsty? Gonna get this water really flowing any moment now.
Actually,
Not many people know we donkeys dig watering holes. Sure helps in a dry desert. Yeah.
but
I've met many a thirsty creature on my journeys.
actually, all these new watering holes are flowing down into a canyon nearby, putting a chinchilla dust spa in danger.
Danger? Huh. There she flows!
Oh no!
Okay, everyone. Time to get out of here.
Okay, let's go.
Whoa, careful there.
We made it!
Why didn't they move this fast before?
Sam, there's a lot more water headed your way. You have to get the chinchillas out of there.
Don't worry, Kit. They're already out. Everyone's safe. Sheila!
I'm not abandoning my spa.
Sheila, if you want to protect your fur, we have to go.
But I can't leave my spa! Oh, okay, fine. But don't let the water get me.
I promise as an agent of Clade.
A big wave's coming! We're going to get soaked!
Oh no, you're not!
Sam, you're far!
I'm fine. Let's just hope Kit can stop this water for good.
I gotta stop this water for good. That boulder should plug it up.
Whoa, what are you doing, dude? I just hit the jackpot.
Look out below! Phew. Sam, did you and the chinchillas get wet?
Just me.
Oh, that's good. Well, not good, but you know.
Sorry for all the trouble, dudes. I promise oops, to be way more careful where I dig my watering holes in the future.
You'd better. I've got a business to run here.
Whoa, dusty little dudes.
Well, water stopped and the chinchillas are safe. Guess that's another creature case closed.